In this video, I'm going to show you how to convert improper fractions to mixed fractions. Now, there are three main types of fractions. There are proper fractions, and these are fractions where the numerator, the number on the top, is less than the denominator, the number on the bottom. There are also improper fractions where the numerator is greater than the denominator. And there are mixed fractions. And mixed fractions are written as a whole number with a proper fraction. Now, you've probably watched my video on how to convert mixed fractions into improper fractions. But in this video, I'm going to show you how to convert improper fractions to mixed fractions. So let's start by converting the improper fraction 10 over 3 into a mixed fraction. And to do that, we need to divide our numerator, 10, by the denominator, 3. Now, the number of times that 3, our denominator, can fit into 10 is going to be the whole number of our mixed fraction. So how many times can 3 fit into 10? Well, ask yourself, what can 3 be multiplied by to equal a number that is as close to 10 as possible? That's right, 3 multiplied by 3, which equals 9. So this is as close as we can get to 10. That means 10 divided by 3 equals 3. So 3 is going to be our whole number. So now that we've calculated our whole number, we need to calculate the numerator of our mixed fraction. Now the numerator is going to be the remainder. That means what was left over after we divided 10 by 3. So what was left over? Well, we can calculate that by taking our number 10 and subtracting 9, which is 1. So our remainder is 1 and our numerator is going to be 1. In our last step, this is the easiest part to remember because it's always going to be the same as the denominator of our improper fraction. So our denominator is going to be 3. So the improper fraction 10 over 3 is equal to the mixed fraction 3 and 1/3. Let's try another one. This time we're going to convert the improper fraction 27 over 4 into a mixed fraction. So we need to divide the numerator by the denominator. So how many times can 4 fit into 27? Well, what can we multiply 4 by to get as close to 27 as possible? Can we multiply 4 by 7? Well, 4 by 7 is 28. So that's a little bit too large. That means we need to find something a little smaller. What about 4 multiplied by 6? That's right. 4 multiplied by 6 is 24. So now we found a number that is as close to 27 as we can possibly get without going over. And that means 27 divided by 4 is 6. Now that we've found our whole number, we need to find the numerator of our fraction. Well, remember, the numerator is going to be the remainder. That means what was left over after we divided 27 by 4. Well, the closest we can get was 24 to 27. So that means we're going to subtract 24 from 27, and that leaves us with 3. So our remainder is going to be 3. And again, our last step is the easiest to remember and to calculate because we're just going to put our same denominator that we had in the improper fraction. So the improper fraction 27 over 4 is equal to 6 and 3/4. Let's try one more. This time we have 32 over 9. So what can we multiply 9 by to get as close to 32 as possible? Let's try 9 multiplied by 3. 9 multiplied by 3 is 27. And that's about as close as we can get to 32. So we're going to stop there because we found our answer. 32 divided by 9 is 3. And our remainder is going to be what's left over when we divided 32 by 9. So we're going to subtract, and that's going to be 5. So our numerator is going to be 5, and the denominator is going to be the same as it was in the improper fraction, which is 9. So the improper fraction 32 over 9 is equal to 3 5/9. So this is how we convert improper fractions to mixed fractions. Thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.